What's up, guys? Right, my eye is looking pretty bad. Some had to whack me, but there was nothing I could do. She doesn't understand, you know, doing bad things yet. Peppa Pig is on.
But I'm a big girl. I won't get tired.
It will be a long cycle ride, Peppa. Are you sure?
Yes, Dad.
My
I'm
lips
sure.
Okay, are we all ready?
are looking terrible. Like that's turning undercut now.
I'm winning.
It's not a race, Peppa. It's just a gentle bicycle ride.
I'm gonna get some really moisturising lip balm today while I'm in the town. Because it's really sore actually. I lick my lips a lot. And I think because the weather's changing now too, it's making it worse.
Peppa, we want the race.
No,
See, when I lick them, it stings. So I'm trying not to. I'm gonna get the breakfast going. I think we're just having cereal this morning. And a bit of fruit. Our shopping came last night, so I have loads of options this morning. Right, I'm gonna go get breakfast sorted with a cup of coffee and I'll see you shortly. So we're just heading out to get the bus. It's just me and Melanie going today. Manny's staying home. He wants to get stuff done on the computer. So it's just me and her meeting Lillian. And then I think we're meeting Tara and Luke as well today. It's so nice. There's like a nice breeze going. You alright? Bless you. There's like a nice breeze going too, so it's not too warm at the minute. Tell everybody you don't like wearing hats. Hey? You don't like wearing hats? Why not? Keep the sun out of your eyes. She's got a wee lamb today. A wee teddy. Hey? You have a wee teddy? The bus is taking forever, seriously. I'm sitting here like 15 minutes. What is going on today? Someone just asked me to join Avon. What is going on over here? It's used to be Flaming Jack's and the Strand Bar. Having a clue. Just walking home, guys. How beautiful is today, seriously. Really, really nice. Right, guys, I'm home. I'm at the bus. Here's the thing, Lillian wasn't in today, so we're gonna meet up by Tara and Gerald after we're dinner. And the key, I think we're going. So that should be really nice. I'm gonna sit now and eat some crisps. Because I'm greedy. So I'll see you in a minute. Look who's awake! And look who has a chocolate mouth! I gave her Rolos. Hi! Hi! Hi, baby! Manny's editing. Here's some of the wee things I got her. I got her new pajamas. They're so cute! And then it's just we matching tops, Sleepy Little Monster, and I'm not tired. This is what made me get them. This is her all over. And my new shades. I got these in Gordon's. I think they're a $5 or something. And then I got her vests. I already took one out, we see. If I can show you. They're so cute. With a wee bow at the top. And then I got her just normal vest tops. They can go with anything, Rick. They were $1.30 each. And the size 1.5 to 2 years. Spoilt! Hey guys! We had pizza for dinner. And now me and Melanie is going to walk with Luke and Tara. I think we're going on the quay and then we're going to Starbucks. I'm going to have to switch to vlogging with my phone though because Manny's taking this camera. Him and Gerald are filming a wee project. Don't be able to take the camera, so I'll see you on my phone.